We are going to do airplane pose together. You stand nice and tall, shoulder relaxed, and then you raise your right foot up. Tilt your body forward, find your balance, and raise your hands up like an airplane. And see whether you can move a little bit further. Breathe out. Breathe in, come back to the center. The other side, and take a long deep breath in. Move your left foot backward. And tilt your body forward. Raise your hands up. You might find one side is easier than the other side. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, relax. Have fun playing yoga bingo, and let's spread the energy of joy.